Are you thinking about moving out of state? Here are some tips that will make that a better experience for everyone involved. I'm Glen Nelson with Realty One Group West, and I'm going to discuss 6 tips for moving out of state. Tip number 1, plan early. There are shortages of staffing for all businesses, but more specifically moving companies. Be sure to build in possible delays into the timeline and plan. Remember Murphy's Law. Early planning means you won't be rushed to get everything done at the last minute. Number 2, consider how you're going to move. Are you going to go with a moving company? Be sure to check online reviews and get multiple quotes. Another option is getting a pod, but you want to make sure to check the timing of delivery and pickup at your current home. Third option is U-Haul. Be sure to confirm that a truck will be ready and available when you plan to move. Number 3, have a purge party before you move. One of the best ways is to have a yard sale. It's cheaper to not move things that you don't need or want than transporting them. Be sure to go room to room and decide what needs to stay, what goes into the yard sale, and what you're going to donate. Number 4, be sure to make plans to coordinate turning off utilities at your present home and turning them on at your new home. So you want to be sure that you have the utilities on when you arrive at your new home. Number 5, have a move-in box. Be sure to put in tools or parts for assembling furniture at your destination. Also include all important papers so they don't get lost in the shuffle. Also have toiletries, towels, tissue, plates, and silverware for the first meal at your new home. And don't forget snacks for the trip. And number 6, have a checklist. These tips should make your move easier and less stressful. And if you'd like a copy of our moving checklist, please click the link in the description. Thank you for watching our video, and be sure to subscribe and hit the like button. And we'll see you next time.